Hello guys, this is Breakout Trader Kapish, and before starting I would like to let you know that this video is just for educational purpose, so please don't take it as a tip. And if you want to make a free Demat account in Paytm Money, the link is in the description box. You can surely have a look. So today Nifty 50 ended 1.94% down, Bank Nifty ended 3.34% down, Nifty IT ended 1.66% down, Nifty Auto ended 1.18% down, Nifty FMCG ended 1.89% down, Nifty Pharma ended 2.23% down, Nifty Infrastructure ended 1.23% down. So today we are going to look for, as we all know that market is falling a lot, today we are going to look for support zones of very good fundamental stocks. So the first stock for today is TCS. So we can see here that the price had formed a triangle pattern over here and it gave a breakout, and as we all know that market has fallen a lot, this line was a very good support zone, but the price has broken this zone today. So the next support zone is this line. So what we have to do is we have to look for a reversal candle in this support zone. So look here that here it formed a morning star, red candle, a doji candle and a green candle. Then we saw a really good move. Same way if you see over here, see a red candle and then a small green candle, a bullish Sharami pattern, and then we saw a good move. So what we have to do is we have to look for a reversal pattern formed over here, because this line is a very good support zone. So that's it, but don't forget to use a stop loss. Definitely here I can't tell you the exact price, but because there is no pattern formed till now, but when it will be formed it will be a really good buy. And if you want to know more about reversal patterns, you can check the shorts I've made. So the next stock for today is Hindustan Unilever. So if we see in the weekly chart, we can see here that this line is a very good resistance zone and this line is a very good support zone. So if we see in the daily chart, we can see here that the price is near the support zone. We all know that Hindustan Unilever is a fundamentally strong stock and it is near its strong support zone, and if it forms a reversal candlestick over here, we can definitely hold it for a long term and we can make a good amount of profit. If and so that's it, but you have to carefully wait for a strong reversal candlestick over here, because we all know this is a strong support zone and you have to look for a reversal candlestick over here for a good move. So the next stock is ITC. So we see in the weekly chart, you can see here that this line has been providing a very good support from a long time. See, this line is tested once, twice, thrice, fourth time, and if you see now in the daily chart, the price is near its support zone. So this is the next support zone, and if the candle if the price makes a reversal candlestick, bullish reversal candlestick over here, we can buy it, surely buy it for a good move, but again don't forget to use stop loss. So that's it, and Mr. Anish requested me to give my analysis in Radico Khatun. So let's check. So if we see here that the price was in a very good up move, and now it started consolidating, and then it gave a breakout over here, and then a really good move, and currently the price is consolidating over the zone. So if we see in the hourly chart, so we can see that this line is providing a very good resistance. So what we have to do is, if we want to buy the stock, what we have to do is we have to wait for this, we have to wait for the breakout of this strong resistance zone, and you must ensure that the candle closes above this strong resistance zone. So that's it, and if you want me to give my analysis in more stocks, you can surely comment below. So that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.